वेलकम क्युअर या होमिओपॅथिक पोर्टलचं आज मुंबईत उद्घाटन झालं. माजी राष्ट्रपती प्रतिभा पाटील यांनी या पोर्टलचं उद्घाटन केलं. आरोग्याबाबत शिक्षण, मार्गदर्शन आणि सॉफ्टवेअर उपलब्ध करून देण्याचा प्रयत्न करणाऱ्या माइंड टेक्नॉलॉजी या संस्थेचा हा उपक्रम आहे. या पोर्टलच्या सहाय्यानं रुग्णांना होमिओपॅथिक उपचारांची माहिती मिळू शकेल, असं डॉ. जवाहर शाह यांनी यावेळी सांगितलं.
Madam and all the dignitaries on dais, I'm thankful to you and a very happy good morning to all of you. Today we have 350 million people suffering from depression. Out of that 1 million commit suicide. Are we not responsible citizens? Are we not committed to bring the transformation? Bronchial asthma. I have specialized in bronchial asthma. I have worked on it for last 36 years. 1 out of every 5 American adult or adolescent suffers from herpes. We have excellent medicine for herpes which can literally make them normal. Autism. 1% of the children population suffers from autism. Just understand. Your children, 1 out of 100 is going to be autistic. Are we really healthy? We need to put something, and homeopathy has got definite answer for autism. Your child will be near to normal, and that is why we have collected best of the practitioners. Today what we want, we don't want just the change. What we are looking for is transformation and result to health. And that is why we have said wellness and health is the most important thing. And this is the portal which we have released, and we have fortunately top-rated physicians who will give quality health. You can see this portal, you can see we have clinical conditions, we have success stories, we have testimonials, we have so many things. We have 50 plus practitioners of the world class. What we have done, suppose if you are specializing in diabetes, we'll take you on the panel. We have Dr. Babar who is sitting in the audience, who is a gynecologist, but practices homeopathy. He is also on our panel. You can see the physicians. The clinical condition, simple. You can get all the details. Allergic rhinitis. So you can visit this portal, get the knowledge, get to know the people. Technology meant globalization, and we globalized ourselves. And what comes and what is going to be the future? Please mark my words, all this, my friends who are present here. The future is going to be human intelligence. Human intelligence will be the most precious thing from time to come. So how do we protect our human intelligence? We can have homeopathy with us, and homeopathy can do it beautifully. And that is why we have made total globalization of the concept. We have taken best of the physicians who will serve the people from all over the world. These are some of the experts. Dr. Jaswant Patil, you have just seen him. Next, Nimish Mehta, who has been working on rheumatology for so many years. Dr. Suname, you have heard about him. And the other stalwarts from different parts, like Dr. Kostas, Dr. George Lucas, who is MD Secretary from Greece, one of the wonderful creators, prescribers. He has treated thousands of cases and literally transformed the lives of people in Greece. We have all these people, and we have a range of ailments which can be beautifully treated, right from common cold to the most complicated cancer conditions. And we have a complete health management system. Complete health management system which includes diet, exercise and complete guidance. So it's a wellness program. It's not just a health program. And we have a wonderful thing. Some of you corporates who are present here, we have excellent things for you. A corporate package which can help you, and we have some surprise. Friends, most of the people, when they become very rich or the company grows very big, they want to take up social commitment. it is not right. It is my moral responsibility to do something right now and today. So we have taken, madam, with your blessings, with all the dignitaries' blessings, we have taken the biggest cause in our hand. That is, we pledge here that we are going to treat Indian Army, Indian Air Force and Indian Navy without charging even a rupee, including consultation, medicine and the courier cost. So this is my social responsibility which I have taken in my hand. And so what do we say at the end of it? Bye-bye worry, bye-bye anxiety, bye-bye complication, bye-bye side effects, bye-bye temporary fixes, bye-bye chemicals, and say bye-bye to disease. Thank you very much.